Hello and welcome to Mars Algebra today. We have a question on fraction to handle here, and I will encourage you to follow along as we enjoy the lesson. All right, so we have the question here. They say we should simplify the whole of this entire fraction. So let's simplify that together. Let's simplify that together. All right, so we have 3 over 4 bracket 3 number 3 over 8 and all of that. So let's start. Um, let's start. So this is going to be equal to, because we have this expression inside the bracket, you treat this ones first. So we're going to have a 3 by 4 into, if you watch very well, these mixed fractions here they are like fractions. They have the same denominator. So we can actually have it as 3 plus 1. We add the whole numbers first, and then we now add the remaining fractions this way. We can have it like this, then all over. If you want to subtract first, like 2 minus the whole number minus this whole number, that's 2 minus 1, 1. But when you want to subtract 1 over 8 minus 1 over 2, you have issue. So you change this into improper fraction instead by saying this 8 multiplied by 2. 8 multiplied by 2, you're going to get 16. Then plus 1, you'll get 17 over 8. And then you place your minus. 2 multiplied by, that's denominator times whole number. All right, so 2 times this whole number, which is 2 times 1 is 2, plus that 1 over there at the numerator is 3. So we have 3 over what? Over 2. So you can move on. All right, so this is equal to, at the numerator you have 3, at the numerator you have 3 over 4, bracket open. So if you add 3 plus 1, you get a 4, then plus. These ones are like fractions. They are like fractions because they have the same denominator. So you can easily add them. So you're going to have 3 plus 5 over 8. That's because they are alike. They are like fractions. They have the same denominator all over. Now, add the denominator over here for the second fraction under, for the two fractions under. We look for the LCM of 8 and 2. So you have, draw a dividing line. LCM of 8 and 2 is 8 and 2. You're going to have 8. So this 8 divided by 8 is 1. Multiplied by 17, you have 17. Place your minus sign. Now 8 divided by the next denominator, which is 2. 8 divided by 2, you're going to get 4. 4 multiplied by 3, you get 12. All right. So if you go on, you're going to have a 3 over 4 brackets. So here you're going to have 4 plus 3 plus 5. You're going to have 8 over 8 up there, and then all over. So when you come over here, 17 minus 12, you get a 5. You get 5 over 8. Okay. Now if you keep going a little, you're going to get a 3 over 4 bracket open. So here you have 4 plus 8 divided by 8 is 1. So you have 1 here. All over. All right, sorry. All over. So we have it here. Now you have 5 over 8 under. All right. Now you are going to have 3 over 4 bracket open. So 4 plus 1, you have 5. You have 5 over there. Over. You now have 5 over 8 over here. I hope you are following. All right. So when you get to this stage, you have 3 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 4. That's 3 over 4 multiplied by 5 all over. Then over here you have 5 over 8. Yes, 5 over 8. All right. So at the numerator level, if you multiply, make this one over 1 so that you multiply 3 by 5, you're going to get 15 over. So 4 times 1, you get 4. You have 4 here all over. This one you have 5 over 8. Now at this point now, separate the fraction like this in order for you to finish it up. You write that's 15 over 4. That's the whole of this numerator. Now this line, a dividing line, write it like this. I mean this line. this line here, write it like this. Then this other one, 5/8, put it like this. Okay? Now, when you divide one fraction by another fraction, the first fraction will remain the way it is, like 15/4. But when you now change the division sign to multiplication sign, the second fraction will change. It will reciprocate. So 8 will go up, 5 will come down. Remember, that happens to the second fraction only. All right, so let's go. So we have 8/5. At this point, you can, if you check very carefully, you can cancel some things. All right, so 5 in 5, 1. 5 can go in 15, 3. And then 4 here, 1. 4 in 8, you're going to get 2. So everything reduces to 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6. So we can now say that the entire question given to us is equal to 6. The entire question given to us, this question, the entire result is equal to 6. Now I have a question similar to this one for you. Make sure you solve it and then try and tell me something, put something in the comment section. All right, so let's have that. All right, so let's have that. So this is for you. Make sure you solve it and then you fix the answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for staying to the end of the lesson. Please do well to like, to share, and subscribe. And also do well to tell somebody about Math Albert.